La he echado al del culo naranja, ¿eh?
Voy por la izquierda, ¿eh?
Ahí vienen.
Y hasta que no esté casi de noche, macho, no sabe lo que hago.
Ahí está comiendo. Ahí está comiendo el del culo naranja. Vaya, mira las de arriba pegándose. Son guarros buenos los dos, ¿eh? Mira.
America!
Oh, oh.
See a bunch of red snapper right there, and I'm about to get hit. Yep. Fish on. Woo!
Shooter, load and make ready. On the up command, on semi-auto, give me control pair. Up. On the 2-round burst, give me 2 sets on the 2-round burst center mass. Up. On the up command, give me a series of control bursts on full auto. Center mass. Up.
Here we come.
Is hij niet dood? Hij gaat hem zien bewegen. Ik weet niet, maar ik zie zijn kop niet. Hey! Ah!
CNN had originally asked me to write a speech and questions, and it ended up being all scripted.
Colton wrote questions about school safety, suggested using veterans as armed school security guards, but claimed CNN wanted him to ask a scripted question instead, so he decided not to go.
I don't think that it's going to get anything accomplished. It's not going to ask the true questions that all the parents and teachers and students have.
CNN. Y'all know y'all wrong. Somebody get CNN on the phone. Tell them to call me. Listen up, CNN. Y'all cannot fake everything, okay? Y'all have to be real for once in a while. How y'all gonna sit up there and try to make a kid lie about how he feel? Huh? After he just experienced his peers get shot up and murdered. Y'all know y'all wrong. Y'all going straight to hell. I hate to say that.
You're here and you fire the rifle, okay? And you fire the rifle, the gun goes empty. You can actually feel the difference. Some people feel it, some people don't. You may or may not in a fight with a heavy I don't know, okay? But I'm telling you, there's a difference when it locks to the rear, okay? When the gun locks to the rear, keeping the rifle between you and the threat, okay? Push the button, old mag goes out, new magazine goes in. And then God and Eugene got together again and made your thumb exactly the right length. And I'll put it over here so you can no mistake. When the magazine goes up and in, push up, pull down because I can, point your thumb at Jesus and press that. Okay? Well, you know, I saw in the Platoon movie, most of you wasn't in Vietnam. Okay? God designed this as a cup. He didn't design it as a bead on the side of the gun device. Stick your stinking thumb up and hit the bolt release and quit fucking with God and Eugene.
Go.
Did I hit it?
Hadi.
Emniyete açık değildir.
Unless you want to wait for that bigger one. Yeah, I'm filming. It's loud, it bites.
One.